charming 3-bedroom, 3-bath brick pool home situated on a 0.34 acre cul-de-sac lot, featuring an impressive total 6-car garage spaces / workshop measuring 26 x 36, a dream space for hobbyists, collectors, or anyone needing extensive storage and workspace. 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths downstairs and 1 bedroom and 1 full bath upstairs with flex space. The flexible upstairs bonus area is ideal for a media room, office, guest retreat, or potential 4th bedroom. Inside, the home offers a fresh, modern feel with updated kitchen with quartz counters, double oven and cooktop. The backyard backs to a peaceful wooded area, providing privacy and a serene, country-like atmosphere while still being conveniently located within city limits. Enjoy the freedom of no HOA. Sip your morning coffee overlooking your sparkling pool and screened outdoor area.